Flipthrough here, and I am here doing a flip through of my first notebook for 2021. So this notebook is an A5 Archer and Olive Blackout notebook, and I use this from January to the end of June. Kind of mid-June because I was exploring how I was going to start moving into my B5 at that point in time. So you'll see that the end of this notebook is pretty dry because I started working on my iPad to see how I was going to incorporate sketch notes into my B5. So without further ado, I'm just going to leave some music on so that you can gain some inspiration from these spreads. I hope you really like this notebook and what I did with it each month. And if you do, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.